How to create a Fortnite account on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Fortnite account on mobile. First, go to the App Store and use the search bar to search for Epic Games. If it's showing you the app, then download it. If not, then open the Safari app on your iPhone. Next, use the search bar to search for Epic Games. Then open the first website and tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Now, create your account by entering your date of birth. After that, choose the country, enter your email address, first name, last name, display name, and password. Here, mark the tick on all three options and hit the Continue button. Next, enter the verification code sent to the provided email. Lastly, continue the privacy policy to create a Fortnite account on mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.